Gimana gimana?
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. We bid to the Honorable Madam, ladies and gentlemen. Let us entertain you. So sit back and relax and enjoy the show.
Let's talk about food. Let's talk about ghosts.
No, let's talk about something we all have in common. What? About our parents nagging? No, I'm talking about language.
Language, English, E, S.
Hash.
S. Once again. E, N,
G. L.
S. One more time. E, N,
G. L. I.
S. H. English.
Even the word is magical to our ears.
Learning English. Play with what you say.
Do you believe that English is easy?
I don't think so. Since learning isn't easy, have fun along the way. But I'm weak in it, so try to make it better. But how?
Yay! Yeah!
Yeah, how?
How to improve our English?
To improve English, you must learn.
A for
Apple,
B for
ball.
no, English not only that.
I know. Let's join an English course.
Course? What course?
Nice reading. To improve your English, of course.
Is that it? I want some more.
Read and read English novels. Then use dictionaries. Find the meaning of new words.
Ooh,
Speak
speak those
those
words out loud.
Please open the fan. Can you borrow me?
Can you chop this letter?
Oh, your English.
Stop! It's wrong. That's low English.
Please switch on the fan. Can you lend me?
Can you stamp this letter?
Oh,
that's
that's great. Well, we can speak quite rapidly, just like a speeding train,
Oh, slowly.
just like a cloud upgrade. So, why do we learn English?
It's
all about having a good communication skills.
And success at job interviews.
And then?
To attain a good career.
Do you want to be a boss? Of course lah, why not?
Managing,
Commanding, consulting, and meeting. Mastering English will make you a good boss. It's all about communication. Having fun with English. Making your voice heard. Ringing voices all in chorus. Speaking English words. English is also an international language.
So?
It is a useful tool to communicate.
With who?
Everyone around the world.
Oh.
So friends, learning English is necessary to gain all the advantages. As the saying goes, if you master it, a great person you will be. To be or not to be, it's all up to you.
Thank you.